Hello everyone, this is the Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios, and today I am beginning my new project, using art to create a brand new reality. I need to create a brand new reality because the old one has crumbled in the last couple of years. It's no longer functional for me, and I do not know what the new one is yet. So, the first step to create a new reality is to visualize where I am right now. And I've been taking a lot of time to do this. I've been working on this project all summer, feeling how I feel, noticing how I think, what the images are, noticing my thoughts and my sensations in the body, the sensations of my feelings, really taking some inventory here. It's important to notice all that's good also, all that you love and appreciate, and all that you have that you would like to grow stronger. So I've been taking a lot of time and visualizing myself feeling safe, nourished, and rested. Because if I can do that, I can offer that to the world. I've also taken some selfies when I felt really good, safe, nourished, and rested. And it's not really about how I look. It's so I can connect that feeling with an image. And then I've been scribbling, drawing, and making stick figures and little just doodles about what I would like to see in my new life. And I've been taking a long time to do this. This is a process that happens wordlessly while I am scribbling and drawing and taking selfies and crumpling up paper and playing with this. I did this art ritual 4 years ago when I needed to change, and looking back on my iPad, I noticed that everything that I had created in the jumbled drawing had come to pass in the past 4 years. Mysteriously, I had forgotten about the drawings. Every evening I take a long meditative walk in the woods. That's one of the reasons I still live here. I love going out into alone solitude in nature. And I encounter many wildlives out there, and some of them are here with me. Rabbit, raven, cat, and coyote. It makes me feel connected to something way larger than myself. And it's quiet. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to take your time with this process. In this rushed world, I always feel the compulsion to produce, but sometimes things won't go any faster than they're supposed to. Thank you so much for joining me. Please share and subscribe, and I will do more videos outlining this magical and effective process for creating an optimal and wonderful new reality.